Hi guys, it's Katie. It's really great to see a lot of familiar faces in the course. I'm super excited to see you guys and work with you guys again. So a little about me, I got my bachelor's from St. Mary's. After I got out of school, I went to Wichita and worked as a pediatric nurse on a med-surg unit for about a year and a half. And I recently came back in November and got a job at Children's Mercy Kansas ED, and I absolutely love it. That's my dream job. I've always wanted to be in the emergency department, especially with peds. I've always loved peds. So I'm super excited. I have learned so much already in these last 5 months. It's crazy. I mean, the COVID kind of messed everything up, but we're making it work. What else? I am getting my master's in education. And then after, I've been looking to apply for family nurse practitioner programs here in the next couple months. So I'm excited about that and hope I get in. It's a lot of schooling, which will be fun. So what I hope to learn from this course, I mean, the title is curriculum design. So I'm hoping that this course will kind of give me an idea how to lay out my curriculum to meet the needs of my students and to make sure that they're on track to pass that NCLEX and become the best possible nurses they can be. I also want to make sure I take into consideration my students' learning styles. I want to make sure that they have multiple resources to help them learn the stuff they need to know for the test and for their future careers as a nurse. So I'm hoping that this course will just kind of give me tips and tricks on how to do that. Things I think I'm going to struggle with are always time management. I mean, it's summer. It's going to be so nice out. So that's going to be hard. You know, working nights is hard too, to like time management school into it. But we do slow down in the summer, so that might help me a little bit at work. Maybe I can get some stuff done. Another thing I think is going to be challenging is I just research for discussions, finding articles on the topics I want to. I always struggled with that. But I think, you know, this course is going to be really interesting, so I might actually be really interested and be able to find some good articles that I think will be helpful and maybe will save for my future career. So I just think those are the main two things that I'm going to have to make sure I work on, and I think I can do it. I mean, I made it this far, so that's great. But that's pretty much it about me. I can't wait to see your guys' videos.